Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, September 13th. We continue with the meditative reflections from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled Putting Down Pain. The time has come to put our stones down, for hands clutching stones can't freely drum, and hearts fisting the past cannot freely sing. It only took me a lifetime to learn, but the lesson is as profound as it is simple. As long as we clutch to one thing, be it a stone or a rail or weapon, our hands cannot open or reach for anything else. The timeless and essential drama of living into the unknown resides in this simple sequence. We must risk putting down the stone or stick or gun that we're grasping in order to build or touch or make music of any kind. It reminds me of a friend who wouldn't let go of his past. He clutched it like a rope and was afraid that if he let go, he would fall. But as long as he fisted his history in his way, he couldn't embrace the love that was before him, and so he never healed. It is unavoidably true. Hands must be emptied before they can be filled anew. It is the same with our hearts. This is why courage, day by day, is necessary. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix right now. Not your breath, not yourself, not this moment. It's all good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now bring to mind one thing you're fisting with your heart, you're clutching to. How does that feel? In your whole body, in your heart? What does it do with your breath? Now let yourself inhale fully and exhale freely, opening your hands and trying to let the feeling loosen in your heart. How does that feel? Do it a couple more times, inhaling and exhaling freely. Open your hands and try to let the feeling of clutching, of fisting in your heart to loosen a little bit. And notice, how does that feel in your body, in your heart? Opening your hands to loosen the fisting of your heart. If you notice that it works for you, maybe set an intention to practice using your hands to open your heart. And now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Remember, it is unavoidably true. Hands must be emptied before they can be filled in you. And it is the same with our hearts. So have the necessary courage to practice emptying your hearts, emptying your hands, day by day by day. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.